What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Shadow Pirate. Yes, I changed the name, my channel. I do what I want. I just thought it was a cooler name, cooler branding name. Anyways, welcome to Colonial Williamsburg. I'm very excited for this video today. I hope you guys are too. We're gonna take a look around this beautiful, beautiful area. If you're ever in the Hampton Roads area and you get a chance to stop by Colonial Williamsburg, do not pass up on it. It is absolutely stunning. Tons of things to do. We're gonna discuss that all in the video. But I hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Let's get going. Okay, as you can see, nobody here. It's very, very quiet, but yet beautiful. The birds are chirping. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Sun's gonna come up here soon. We're gonna head that way to get some really good golden hour shots. Looks like we're gonna have a good sunrise. Not many clouds, but what I really want to concentrate on now is with the street lamps on, is this whole area. And if you're ever here during the summertime or any time of year, this place is smack full of people during the summertime, or anytime, midday. So, and really cool shops, gift shops, restaurants. There's a really good sandwich shop that we're not gonna get to today, but it's very cool. So while we have these street lamps on, let's find some compositions. All right, so now considering that Williamsburg is very historical, I really wanted to start off with this building here that has the American flag in it. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right. Now we're just gonna walk around, wait for that sun to come up. All right, so here we have a colonial statue. Couldn't tell you exactly who it is. Should bokeh the lights out behind him. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do his face a little bit better. Yeah, not bad. We're just warming up though. So this place, the cheese shop, phenomenal sandwiches. And there's also a wine cellar downstairs. You can do like charcuterie boards and do wine tastings and stuff. Obviously it's not open now, or else I'll show you guys. But since I have you, let's go ahead and get a picture of these beautiful flowers. With the cheese shop in the background. Cool. Sun is coming up soon. And we'll get going to see the actual Williamsburg area, the Colonial Williamsburg. All right, so we're still right next to the cheese shop. Cheese shop right there, Fat Canary. This cool little building and these more flowers. Probably gonna be taking pictures of a lot of flowers today because it is that time of year where it's just absolutely beautiful. So bear with me with the flowers. Let's do this one right here. And that gives me a little bit blurry of a foreground with one flower in focus and then blurred out background. So kind of my style. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Here is a map of the area. Obviously we're right here. All the way up here is, well, right here is the Governor's Palace, which we're gonna do some photos here. There is a cool little stable over here, somewhere around here with a horse. I'm hoping to get some really good shots of that. We're not gonna make it all the way up here, not today. We're just gonna stay kind of in this area, in this region. One of the questions I get asked all the time is, what am I using for a POV mount? And I'm using the Tellison U-neck mount. And I'll put a link down in the description down below, but I think it runs around $29 or something like that on Amazon. And I've never had anything better. I've tried multiple mounts, POV mounts, and this one seems to work the best. So I'll put a link down in the description down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I do get a kickback from Amazon, just so you guys know. But yeah, Tellison U-neck mount. All right, so I switched it up. Got the 70-200 because I'm gonna try to get a photo of that horse during the golden hour. I was on the 15-35 before. Canon R8, as you guys I'm sure are pretty familiar with by now. Yeah, it's one of my favorite cameras I've ever owned. So we're gonna bang a right here. Over there we just were. Now we're gonna come to the right and get see if we can find that horse. We're gonna start off with this house right here. Looks like something that should be out of Salem, Massachusetts, and I really like the the ladder going over the roof. That's pretty cool. Nice detail. I'm sure there's some kind of historical significance to it. However, I don't know what it is. But again, we're still warming up. We got plenty to explore. So this garden says ticket required for entry. The garden is closed. You can see corn, some other herbs and whatnot. Some beautiful flowers over here. But we're obviously not gonna go in here right now. But sometimes during the summer, their peak season, you do need tickets to do certain things around here. But I'm gonna try to find a composition using this white fence as well as this area. It looks like the sun's coming up. So let's see what we can do. Get some kind of bokeh, some kind of foreground with that shed. The sprinkler just got me. Cool, moving on. All right, so here we have the governor's mansion. We were just over there at the garden. Cool church right there. A lot of people get married there. Then we have the governor's palace. So I'm gonna try to get a really good composition with this. Got a little glow from the sun. Yeah, that works. And in case you bring your horse, got plenty of places to tie up. This is Williamsburg. All right, here's the golden hour that we were hoping for. It's coming up. Let's see what we can get. All right, so I'm gonna use this maple tree or oak tree, whatever it is, to use as a natural frame and try to get that house in the background. Scoot back, too much white. All right, not bad. We'll see what that golden hour has to offer. And just like Yorktown, they got cannons everywhere. I like that red building behind it, so I'm gonna use that. Let these cars get out of the way. Get a decent composition on that. Nah, that one doesn't work. There we go. And I got the squirrel in the background. What's up? Oh, geez. Cool. I love this lens. This is by far my favorite lens. 7200. I do have the old one, the EF mount, not the RF, and I'm using the adapter mount. And I haven't seen any distortion in my photos or anything like that. And I've had it for about a year now, so it works. All right, if you guys don't like this video right now, I'm gonna put you on one of these things. Just kidding, don't sue me. It's a joke, people, joke, calm down. But please, like, subscribe, do all the cool things. All right, back at the original garden that I shot at with the white picket fence. Let's see one more composition I wanna try. What do you think? How'd it work out? We have sheep. I'm gonna go that way, shoot, try to get the golden hour sun with the sheep because they're pretty close. And I did not know they were over here, so this is cool. Come on, dude, lift your head up. Hey! You stink. All right, so a little tip for you guys, if you ever see these shadow lines that are straight like this, it's a really good opportunity to get a cool little glow luminance on your photo. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just kind of move till the sun shines, not too much. I'm gonna try to get the steeple, blur the steeple out with that glow. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Just a quick, easy tip. Might be common sense, but you never know. All right, so using that same tactic, I see some glowing lines right here, sun right there. I'm gonna shoot using these cobblestones as a foreground. And I'm just gonna put my camera right on the edge of that line. And I should get a really good glow using the cobblestones. Okay, so I'm in a garden not too far from the one we were at before. I didn't see any signs that said you can't come in here, so here I am. And I'm gonna use, again, that same tactic and try to find one of these shadow lines and fire off a shot in that direction. I'm gonna try to get that street lamp in focus. And now I want to shoot one of these flowers in focus. All right, I think that turned out really well. Let me do one landscape for a possible thumbnail. Cool, I think that worked out well. Those are probably my favorite photos of the day. You can see, really cool garden. We're gonna find some more, hopefully. Okay, so that garden we were just in is right over there. I walked through the back of it and I came across this lonely little shed, but holy crap, that fawn just scared the out of me. Dang it, I wish I'd have known it was there. That would have made for cool pictures. All right, we're starting to lose golden hour, so I'm gonna try to get as many shots as I can. And what I'm doing now is I'm kind of just moving around until that sun peeks right through this little trees right here. And then I'm gonna photograph using that foreground, those houses in the back. All right. Foreground, in my opinion, gives the photo so much depth that to me, I almost feel like it has to be done every time. Not every time, but most of the time. But yeah, foreground is key. So using the buildings in the background, I have this horse tie-up station, whatever, I don't even know what they're called, but I'm gonna focus on that, blur out the background. I think that came out really good. This lens is absolutely insane, and I will put a link in the description down below for the lens if you guys are interested. Totally worth the money. I did a couple weddings with this and it paid for itself in just a couple weddings. So if you can afford it, there will be a link in the description down below, and enjoy, because it's gonna take your photography to a whole new level. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, switch up my lenses to the 15 to 35 and try to get some of these buildings, a better composition of these buildings. And I need to get some B-roll. All right, so I know I just got done talking about foreground, but for like a minimalistic photo, something like this, I think is really cool, where no foreground's involved. Try to get as straight as possible. And that wide angle, oh boy. So we still have a hint, a very small hint of golden hour. So what I want to do is get this shot of these purple flowers right here and get that glow. All right, just came across this cool garden. I don't know if I can go in this one, but I'm going to anyways. I don't see any signs. So the flowers are all dead. It's been very hot here lately. So probably not a good spot for photos, but we're gonna find out. I use this guy right here for my foreground. Kind of takes out the deadness of all the flowers and stuff. And I only got a couple more minutes. We're gonna get one more shot. Ooh, I like this V looking thing right here. Kind of gives a leading line to that building. That's cool. All right, last one, and then we're out. All right, that one worked out. I like that one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for me today here at Colonial Williamsburg. I have to get to work. I'm actually running a few minutes late, so bosses, if you're seeing this, I apologize. Gotta get the shots, man. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like, follow, subscribe, do all the cool things. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below if you're still here. First of all, thank you. And second of all, please let me know what your favorite photo was from today. I like to hear from you guys. I love talking to you guys. I want to start building a little community with this YouTube channel, so do me a favor, go ahead and comment down below your favorite photo. But again, I'm out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.